Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I want to show you some tips and tricks on navigating through my brand new website. In this tutorial video, I want to navigate you through all of the new awesome features of my brand new website. I'll be doing this on a computer screen today. If you would also like to see this tutorial done for mobile devices like your cell phone or your tablet, please leave your request for me in the comments. All right, let's get started. This is the home page, and this is where you will see a top bar menu and another menu here, and you can readily find everything you're looking for here, from my blog to videos to shopping yarns, patterns, accessories, books, and all sorts of things. There's a contact button. You can sign up for my newsletter on top. We'll take a deep dive into the customer account section, but just keep in mind this is a new website. You will need to create a new customer account, and this is where you will start the login process here. And then you can scroll down here as well. There are some banners here that tell you more about the website. Here you can find information about me. You can also click on the blog here, and you can also click on my videos here. If you click on the videos from here, it will show you everything on my YouTube channel on my website if you don't want to go directly to my YouTube channel, and it shows them in chronological order from there. If you click on my blog from here, it'll show you all of my blog posts. But what's new about the blog on the new website is you can search by category. So you can search by type of yarn, type of project that's featured in the blog post, or any other category of blogging. I have over 750 blog posts, so lots to read, and you can even search by archive from month and year. As you can see, the blog posts go back all the way to April 2015, all the way up to this week. Super fun, lots to look at there. Let's go back to the home page now and scroll further down. You can browse products by categories, from accessories, books, classes, which will be coming soon, crochet patterns, knit patterns, yarns. Any of those categories will click you to those specific product categories. Then there are weekly featured products, best-selling products, information about shipping and customer service. You can read customer reviews here and see more testimonials. And then there's even more information about different aspects of the website down here. Lots for you to browse through. Watch the rest of the short videos in this playlist as I take a deep dive into each of these sections on the new website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.